Vector portrait or cartoonish effect has been the trending nowadays. In this video, we'll come to know that the way we can do it in the very easiest way. What's up guys, hope you guys are fine. If you see our videos for the first time, please subscribe our channel. So without making any further delay, let's go to the screen directly. Making vector portrait, Illustrator type or cartoonish type picture, not a difficult task if you want to go with PicsArt Magic Effect. Log into PicsArt. As usually, I have selected one of my favorite heroes, Mr. Sushant Singh, and by clicking plus icon from my gallery, I have selected Sushant's picture. I'm clicking on Effect tab. Now I click onto Magic tab, Mini Vector Portrait, Cartoonish Effect. Now you can choose effect level. You can choose multiply, color burn, darken, and many other options of effect, whatever you choose. So this is it. My cartoonish and vector portrait illustrator type picture is ready of Sushant Singh. Please subscribe our channel, hit the like button, share as many as possible, and give your comment what kind of video do you want.